Well, hello again, everyone, and welcome to the Options Mentor, where I give you a taste of the kind of education we do every day at SheridanMentoring.com. Well, this week, I'm going to show you this is a play you can make if a situation develops that I think will develop soon. I'm not sure it'll be this week, but I wouldn't be a bit surprised. Let me share my screen here. So as we can see, the SPX has really, really been hammered over the last several sessions. There's a lot of fear in the market, and you can just see here how much we've been pounded. Well, we're below the moving averages. We're in a bear market, and whenever you get a rally in the bear market, which involves a lot of short covering normally, it will be one of the most vicious face melting rallies you're going to see is a bear market rally. So what I'm going to show you is a trade that if you see this market begin to rally, maybe now we're up 20, 30 points in a day, but it's early, that type of thing, early in a day, then I think what you might want to look to do is this broken wing butterfly here. With a call butterfly here in the SPXs, you can see if we're right and it keeps going, all we can do is make money, right? In fact, if you look at this, I just did this based on where we're at now, which was 42.24 the other day, Friday at the close. So I just maybe go up about 15, 20 points if you see this developing, and then center a fly there. And then I went 30 points lower for the bottom long and only 20 points higher for the top long, which gives you this arm. Now, if you want to be more aggressive, you could come in and maybe just do the 55. So you're only 15 points. And now you can make a lot more money up there. Of course, it's a lot worse if it turns around and you're wrong and runs right back down. So you need to be careful with that. But when it runs up in here, I would just take the money and run. All right. I wouldn't hang out in this looking, for it to just keep going, keep going. I think this will be a thing that'll last at least a day. It could be more than a day, but I want to try to take advantage of any kind of bear market rally I see with a trade like this. So if you see it developing, you can get this thing set up, take a look at it, and decide if it's right for you. If you're wrong and it comes back down, you could take it off, maybe small loss or something like that. Otherwise, I just let this baby run up in here, and maybe at the end of the day, if we're all the way up in here, just take the money. And like I said, if you want to be more aggressive, just go up 15 points from this center short. Okay. So I really think we're just in a real kind of a precipice in the market. It's hard to exactly say what's coming up this week. I know there is earnings from Microsoft, but I mean, for the market in general, it'll be, I believe it's a Fed blackout week where there won't be any Fed speakers. I'm pretty sure on that. And so we'll mainly be going off whatever happens over in Israel, of course, the whole Middle East. There's really a powder keg there. Things could really develop and expand if you see all the saber rattling going around. So that could affect the market because it would immediately, spike oil and of course affect the market if we really got into a wider conflict with more countries involved over there. And then we have, of course, the beginning of earnings. And I think they're really going to look and see how tech's doing. Microsoft, I guess, would be the first of the big techs to report this week. Apple and others will be on into next week. But so a lot there. And this is just one thing I want to be prepared for is a bear market rally. I know it's going to happen soon. Well, I don't know it. I feel it. I mean, I just think it's going to happen probably over the next few weeks. It wouldn't surprise me. Maybe something off of a tech earning, maybe some peace breaks out in the Middle East, or whatever it is. But just be prepared for it. Put this in your back pocket, something to think about whenever you do see that big rally, short covering rally coming. As always, I'd like for you to subscribe to the channel and make comments. I'd get back to those. And of course, just like I said at the beginning, this is what we do every day over at SheridanMentoring.com, where we do one-on-one mentoring group classes, whatever you like. So check it out. And I will talk with you guys again next week. Have a great one. Bye-bye.